ìrọ̀rùn. Get Herbalife TV.
Welcome back to Get Herbalife TV. We have explored the divine forces that govern our choices, our work, our passions, and our transformations. But all these pursuits rely on one fundamental element, our health. Today, we venture deep into the wilderness to meet the Orisha, who holds the key to all natural remedies, the master of every leaf, root, and vine. Osanyin.
Ìkànnì ìgbé ayé ìrọ̀rùn. Get Herbalife TV.
Osanyin is the Orisha of Herbalism, healing, medicine, and the untamed secret of the forest. He is the divine pharmacist who knows the spiritual energy, or Ashe, contained within every plant. If your better life requires profound healing, physical vitality, or a deeper connection to the health's natural intelligence, you need to understand the powerful wisdom of Osanyin. Let's uncover the hidden pharmacy of the forest. Who is Osanyin? Osanyin is one of the most mysterious and isolated of the Orishas. He lives deep within the forest because nature is his library and his laboratory. He is fiercely protective of his knowledge, which he views as the greatest gift of creation. His primary domain, all medicinal plants, herbs, and the healing power within them. Key roles: patron of herbalists, provider of magical power, guardian of the wild, and master of ritual baits. Osanyin knows how to combine plants to restore both the body and the soul. His energy teaches us the crucial importance of natural remedies and the ancient intelligence of the earth. The colors. The colors are all shades of green, representing the vibrant life force of the forest, often accented with red or black. His primary symbol is an iron staff topped by a single bird and other smaller birds hanging below. The bird symbolizes the ability of the soul to fly and the Orisha's ability to watch over the forest. Osanyin teaches us that true healing is not about finding one miraculous solution. It is about combining the right elements in the right proportion. A skilled herbalist, like a good pharmacist, must synthesize different properties to create a perfect remedy. How do we apply Osanyin's natural wisdom to get a better life? 1. Prioritize natural healing. Before rushing to complex modern solutions, seek simple natural remedies first. Focus on preventing through nutrition, hydration, and exercise. Honoring Osanyin means treating your body as a temple worthy of nature's best care. Then 2, spend time in the wild. Osanyin lives in the wild. If you are mentally exhausted, confused, or spiritually drained, the single best remedy is to remove yourself from man-made environment and spend time in a garden, a park, or a forest. This connection recalibrates your spiritual and physical energy. Then 3, the ritual of cleansing. Osanyin is the master of the omi-ero, the Yoruba word, meaning the sacred water mixed with herbs used for spiritual purification. Use water infused with natural ingredients to cleanse your space and yourself, clearing the spiritual and energetic fog that leads to illness. Osanyin shows us that the road to wellness is paved with simplicity, nature, and deep respect for the earth. While Osanyin is a master of preventive and restorative medicine, his counterpart in the realm of health is often considered Babalu-Aye. Babalu-Aye or Babalu-Aye is the Orisha associated with infectious disease, illness, and the power to both inflict and cure epidemics, often connected to the health forces. Osanyin's herbal knowledge is used to prevent illness and support healing, while Babalu-Aye deals with the severe, often contagious illnesses that required profound spiritual intervention and purification. The lesson for a better life. This duality teaches us that we must be proactive about our health, but also humble and prepared to face devastating illness. Wellness is a continuous effort of both prevention and spiritual vigilance. Osanyin is a spirit of life-giving wisdom, reminding us that the greatest resources for our health and happiness are right here. Honoring him means honoring our own physical bodies and their need for purity and natural sustenance. Thank you for exploring the healing power of Osanyin with me today. Next time on Get Better Life TV, we will explore the Orisha of the Hunt, the divine scout, and the relentless pursuer of justice, Ashe. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comment section what is your favorite natural remedy for boosting your health. See you next time, and bye for now.
Ìkànnì ìgbé ayé ìrọ̀rùn Get a Better Life TV.